Today you'll take your vocabulary test for chapters 6 through 11 of That Was Then, This Is Now. Make sure you put your name, the date, and class period at the top of the page. Here's your word bank. You need to write each word on the line beside its definition or description. I'm going to read rows across on the word bank. Hysterical, vengeful, incredulous, gravely, hostility, irrationally, gulf, witticism, relapse, commune, pleading, desperately, formalities, intent, and obscure. First word means ill will or extreme anger. Next is a joke or anything that you really say that's funny. The next word means unclear. The next word means seriously. Take note of the ly suffix on that word, on that definition, because the word also has one. The next word means resolute. The next word means in an uncontrollable or an excitable state. It could be from laughing, it could be from sadness, either way. The next word is another word for customs. The next word is a group of people living together. Usually that means they live together, they farm together, they come and go freely. This is a characteristic. This is something the hippies did. Lived this way. The next word means not logically. The next word means begging. The next word means distance. The next word means slipping back, as in a sickness comes back, an addiction comes back. Next word means hopelessly. The next word means doubtful. And the last one means wanting to give punishment for a wrong, wanting to punish someone for what they did.